We love sharing good news, so when one of our customers says something great about us and experiences our 5-star customer service, well, we have to share it. Here's what they had to say. What a great review. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy customer's experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every client. It's great to receive positive feedback since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. And just like our customers, we're confident you'll appreciate our unmatched quality and attention to detail. Your satisfaction is important in gaining your initial and repeat business, and we'll work very hard to earn both. So why wait? Call us on the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.